Hello friends, this is Surya Padhi. Today's topic is stimulus payment and is tax treatment. What is the tax treatment of the stimulus payment? The federal government has delivered two checks to the American as a effort to blunt the economic pain triggered by the coronavirus pandemic. The first check worth of $1,200 per person based on either your 2018 tax or 2019 tax. And the second check is worth of $600 is based on 2019 tax return. The next question is, do you owe any tax on the stimulus payment? The answer is no. As per IRS, the payment will not reduce a taxpayer refund or increase the amount they owe when they file their 2020 or 2021 tax return. If you receive the incorrect amount, you can still receive the full payment. To do so, you need to file your tax return for the year 2020 and claim a recovery rebate credit. What is recovery rebate credit? A recovery rebate credit is authorized by the Coronavirus Aid, Relief, and the Economic Security, that is the CARES Act. And it is a credit against your 2020 income tax. And generally, this credit will increase the amount of your tax refund and decrease the amount of tax you owe to IRS. Individual who receive the full amount of both impact payment do not need to complete any information about the recovery rebate credit on their 2020 tax return. Who can claim the recovery rebate credit? Eligible individual who did not receive the full payment of both economic impact payment may claim the recovery rebate credit on their 2020 Form 1040 or 1040 SR. Condition to claim the recovery rebate credits are: you should be a eligible person to claim the stimulus payment, and you are not dependent on another taxpayer for the year 2020, and you have a social security number, and you need to complete the recovery rebate credit worksheet instruction in the form 1040 and 1040 SR. If you are not filing normally, then you need to also file Form 1040 or 1040 SR to claim the recovery rebate credit. How to file the recovery rebate credit? So, IRS has introduced a new line 30, recovery rebate credit, and here are the extract and instruction from Form 1040 instruction. And you can see here in the highlighted, there is a new row for the recovery rebate credit. And you need to mention here the amount you have not received as a part of the stimulus payment. So follow this two link to check your recovery, that is your stimulus payment or economic impact payment, and you calculate the difference, the eligible amount, and whatever you have not received, and the difference you have to mention in the form 1040 line 30. I hope this video is helpful to file your tax return for year 2020 and to claim the recovery rebate credit. Subscribe to my YouTube channel, hit the bell icon for future notification. Have a wonderful day. Thank you.